stopped. Oh, man. So I was gonna go down this way, and you have to go all the way around. It's a huge bypass. And then I started looking at this thing, and I'm just like, you know what? I'm gonna hate myself in the morning if I don't do this. So let's do this. Woo! That actually wasn't that bad as usual. And whoops. Okay. Now, oh God, there's mines everywhere up here. Which way do we go? And it says it still keeps going straight. Ooh. About halfway up, there's a ledge. Doesn't look steep, but well, I'm so glad I did that. Whoa! I really would have been pissed about myself tonight, and then I would be like, okay, I'm going back next week to do that. Oh yeah, this is gnarly. Come on. That's what happens when you got a shift. Yeah, this way. I'm like, is it dead end? No. Ah, yes. Honestly, I didn't think I was going to make that. But this is what I came out here to ride. Oh, that must be an operational mine. There's the buildings and everything down there. Huh. There's the bypass around that section. Oh, come on, just go. Let's go see what it looks like. Oh my God, I am just in a weird mood today. I don't know what it is. Yes, I want to ride, and I want to ride technical stuff, but I didn't want to push too hard, but I'm just going to take it easiest a little bit. Nope, you know me. And taking it easy doesn't work. right? Hell no. Oh. Ah. You can see other people turning around. Wow. Honestly, if I really pushed hard and had the right mental attitude, I could do that. Especially this one on the right. Go all the way up to the right, and you got to turn, and then you're up on rocks. It should be good traction. Nope. Okay. Well, I'm not going to feel bad about not doing this one, okay? The other ones, yes. That one, no. Oh. Nope. What the hell is wrong with me today? Almost dropped the bike. Jesus, I can't even make this turn. Swear to God, what the hell's going on with me today? Well, I mean, the only thing you can keep is your sense of humor. Luckily, I don't ever seem to lose that. I mean, yeah. What the hell? All right. Well, this goes to, oh, it's fenced off anyway. That just goes to a little pit mine on the side of the mountain. So, I'm not sure. I don't want to go all the way back on this trail. I would love to go down to that side, but there's no way of getting there. So I do think I'm gonna probably end up going all the way out and going all the way back. It's probably private property in here, so you got to bypass it. All right, well, unless something funky ass happens. Yeah, here we go. 73. Oh, what the hell? This is just a tiny little loop, and then it heads back to where I was. Do I want to do that, or do I want to go down those downhills that I went up? Yes, I'm sure you know the answer to that. If I can make this turn. Oh, I don't know. Don't knock over the sign! Oh my God! What is going on? Oh, jeez. I swear. Okay, where do we go? Oops. I think my camera got hit. Oh, shoot, now it's loose. Okay. Wow, if I screw this up, I mean, the rate I'm going today, jeez. All right, put all my weight to the right, so there's no way I could fall to the left. There we go. Come on, look up. I should have gone that way. Oh man. I don't know, which way do we go? Woo! Look at that. Glistening rock. All right. Nice and slow. I'm going so slow I can't even put the clutch out. It'll stall the engine. Oh. Should have gone over there. It's just rock, so it's not loose like this stuff. Relax, I'm supposed to be having fun, right? Trying to go this way. There we go. There we go. I knew I could just roll that, but I just had to get into the mindset of getting up and going. There we go. Get the clutch out. Oh, I never thought I'd look forward to whoops. Oh. All right. Well, oh, wait a minute. Huh. Where the hell did that come from? I missed that on the way up. I had no idea there's a trail down that way. I think I went up from the other side all the way down at the canyon and stopped to turn around at one point, and I think this is where it comes. Well, good to know. All right, well, I'm not going to go back and do everything I just did. I'm going to go around, so I will see you guys later. Hopefully I can keep my sense of humor on this ride. I'm going to need it. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Ooh, this actually looks like it might be fun. Oh, crap! This is just that little bypass that goes up to where I said, oh, it goes around. I got to go back up and go up this hill. God. Woo! All right. Sense of humor, sense of humor. I am out here, and I'm riding and I'm having a good time. Let's just leave it at that. Wait a minute. What are you still doing here? Get off the couch, go get your gear, get your bike, and go riding. There, isn't that better?